Good morning to all. Today I discuss about the topic is characteristic impedance in transmission line. First of all, I discuss about the what is characteristic impedance. What is the definition of characteristic impedance? Is the ratio of voltage to current of a traveling wave of transmission line, that is called characteristic impedance. The units of characteristic impedance is ohms. Then what is the characteristic impedance purpose in transmission line equation? Then to determine the how much power is transferred in the transmission line. అంటే మనకి ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ లైన్లో ఎంత పవర్ అనేది ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది దాన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేసిందే క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఇంపిడెన్స్. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ అవాయిడ్ ద సింగిల్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద లోడ్ ఇంపిడెన్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎనీ లోడ్ ఇంపిడెన్స్ నుండి ఏవైనా రిఫ్లెక్షన్స్ అనేవి బ్యాక్ వస్తే వాటిని అవాయిడ్ చేయడానికి కూడా మనం క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఇంపిడెన్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? First of all, what is characteristic impedance? Final formula Z equals to V naught of plus by I naught of plus equals to root over R plus J omega L into G plus J omega C. First of all, in previous class transmission line equation, to get the two equations. First one is voltage equation, second one is current equation. What is voltage equation? Minus dou Vs by dou Z equals to R plus J omega L into Is. And the second equation, minus dou Is by dou Z equals to G plus J omega C into Vs. First we know the both are equal. Minus dou Vs by dou Z equals to R plus J omega L into Is equals to minus dou Is by dou Z into G plus equal to G plus J omega C into Vs. Okay, then the minus dou Vs by dou Z equals to R plus J omega L into Is, the first equation of transmission line voltage equation, and also minus dou Is by dou Z equals to G plus J omega C into Vs, the second equation of current transmission line equation. Both 1 and 2 equations are getting from transmission line equation in previous section. The both equations can be equal to each other. Then R plus J omega L into Is equals to G plus J omega C into Vs. What are the Is? The current source equation equals to I naught of plus e power of minus gamma z plus I naught of minus e power of plus gamma z. And also what are the voltage source equation equals to Vs equals to V naught of plus e power of minus gamma z plus V naught of minus e power of plus gamma z. In previous class I will explain both two equations. I naught of plus I naught of minus V naught of plus V naught of minus is the amplitude of equations. Then these two values are substituted in equation 3. The 4-5 equations in equation 3. Then the R plus J omega L into I naught of plus e power of minus gamma z plus I naught of minus e power of plus gamma z equal to G plus J omega C into V naught of plus e power of minus gamma z plus V naught of minus e power of plus gamma z. Then to get the V naught of plus by I naught of plus equal to R plus J omega L by gamma, and also V naught of minus by I naught of minus equals to gamma by G plus J omega C. Then what about the final equation of characteristic impedance? Z equals to V by I. With the gamma will be cancelled. Then root over R plus J omega L by G plus J omega C. It is the final equation of characteristic impedance.